Hey, this is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to show you how to rotate your tires. You need to rotate your tires about every 5 to 10,000 miles to prevent uneven wear, poor traction, and hydroplaning. We're only going to be talking about non-directional tires today. These can be swapped without issue. Start by loosening the bolts on a tire but don't completely remove them. In order to rotate non-directional tires, you'll want to switch the front right tire with the back left tire. Do the same for the other side. Check your owner's manual to find a reinforced point so you can jack the car up. You have to get it high enough to slide the jack stand under. The jack stand should also be placed at a reinforced point. You shouldn't put it on any plastic covers. Once you lower the car onto the jack stand, completely remove the lug nuts. Then pull the tire off and head to the front opposite side of the car. Jack up the other side and remove the front tire using the same procedures we just mentioned. Now place the front tire on the rear and tighten the lug nuts slightly. Once you remove the jack stand, lower the jack completely. Then tighten the lug nuts on the tire that is firmly on the ground and repeat the process on the other side. Hope that all made sense. Until next time, let us know if you have any questions below.